Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of AI. Today, we're excited to showcase the latest innovation in music creation. Free AI-generated music. That's right, we'll be demonstrating how you can now create music using AI without spending money. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of AI-generated music. If you stick around until the end of the video, I promise we'll leave here with a complete project for your channel, using just 2 more free tools. Did you like it? So let's go. It's time to get to know this amazing tool that turns your ideas into professional music. Super well produced, copyright free, and money free. Its name is Soundful.com, and you can access it through your browser, without having to install anything. In fact, the platform has an annual or monthly subscription plan that entitles you to use it unlimitedly. But we're going to focus on the free plan, which entitles you to 10 monthly downloads. Downloading songs in MP3 format. It's enough to produce at least 2 videos a week for your channel, isn't it? As soon as you go to Soundful.com, you'll find this Start for Free button. Fill in your email information. Create a password. Accept the terms of use. And choose whether you want to receive messages with promotions and marketing from the company. On the next screen, you choose your profile, so that the tool can customize your experience according to your goals. You choose up to 3 options. The next step is to select the music genres you are most interested in. Here you can choose up to 4 different musical styles. Okay, now it's just fun. In just a few clicks you can produce your first song, based on the numerous templates at your disposal. First, you choose a genre and then a template. Let's choose this one. Coffee Shop, which is under Moods and Themes, and looks pretty interesting. As soon as you click on Create Preview, an unreleased song, just yours, will be created, based on the tool's default settings. Look at the quality of this song. Isn't it amazing? No music knowledge is required. Letters from C to B represent musical notes, and you can easily change the key of the song. You can also change from a minor key to a major key easily. Change the BPM, which means beats per minute, which is the speed of the song. When you are satisfied with the results, give the created song a name. Your projects are saved in your library, and there they will be available for download. You can create new projects from your library, or delete existing projects as well. If you've just signed up, like I just did, you'll get this message on your screen asking you to resend a verification to your email. Once this is done, you will be free to download the file in MP3 format. Now that we have our soundtrack, as promised, let's use 2 other fantastic free platforms to create a video for our YouTube channel. Are you enjoying this content? So take the opportunity to click the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any valuable tips like this one. Now, let's access one of the best free image and video banks to boost our project. Pexels.com. I hadn't even thought about what kind of video we were going to create. But, to match our music, how about we look for videos with the theme, kindness? Just type the term, kindness, into the search bar and here it is. Several excellent quality videos. Let's pick a few. Randomly. How about that? Done. Now we have the music and the videos. We only need a software for editing. And for that I present to you Clipchamp.com. With Clipchamp we can finalize our project in an easy and intuitive way. Let's go. After creating your account, if you haven't already, click the button to create a new video. Just drag the videos that we've just downloaded along with our soundtrack. First drag the MP3 file onto Clipchamp's timeline. Then the video files. You can zoom in or out to see the details better. Now the remaining video files. Position them as you see fit. If the music is longer than the duration of the videos, you can cut it and discard the remaining part. If you realize you cut too much, no problem. You can recover the deleted part simply by clicking, holding and dragging to a new cut point. If the video is in a different resolution, you can resize and move it to fit in the right position. You can apply different effects to videos and audio, including fade in and fade out. Click on the junction point between two videos to apply different transition templates. In our video, we are going to apply a different transition for each video change. What do you think? Now, just export our video and share it on social networks. Did you like it? Let us know in the comments if you already knew any of these content creation resources. Stay now with the final result. I hope this tutorial inspires you to unleash your imagination and create increasingly attractive content for your audience. See you in the next video on our Artificial Art channel.